Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs not taste like eggs. First, let's mask that distinct egg flavor. Try adding fresh, strong herbs like chives or dill directly into your scrambled eggs. You can also incorporate flavorful cheeses, such as a sharp cheddar or crumbled feta, which really stand out. Don't forget a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of salt to enhance all the other flavors. Next, let's consider texture and cooking methods, which significantly impact taste perception. Cook your eggs gently over low heat to avoid a rubbery texture, which can emphasize the egg flavor. For scrambled eggs, a splash of milk or cream makes them softer and less eggy. Also, consider poaching or baking your eggs instead of frying. These methods often yield a milder flavor profile. Now let's talk about incorporating other ingredients to take center stage. Sautéed vegetables like onions, bell peppers, or spinach are fantastic additions that add both flavor and volume. Cooked meats such as crispy bacon, savory sausage, or diced ham can also dominate the taste. For an extra kick, drizzle your eggs with hot sauce, a spoonful of pesto, or a zesty vinaigrette. Finally, explore creative egg dishes where eggs are just one component. A frittata or quiche, loaded with vegetables and cheese, can completely transform the egg experience. Breakfast burritos or tacos are excellent for hiding eggs among other flavorful fillings. Even a simple egg sandwich with strong condiments and toppings can make the egg flavor much less prominent and more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.